Hi, and welcome to another episode of Harvey's drawing class. This week, I'm going to show you how to draw a Gulfstream in 7 simple steps. Now, in case you're wondering what a Gulfstream is, it's an American twin-jet aeroplane. Step 1. First, you want to draw a straight line down the middle of the page. Then draw a rectangle on the outside. Have it so it curves in towards the tail, but not too far curving. Then do a line here. Step 2. Next, we're going to start drawing the wings. Make sure the wings are equal length, otherwise your plane will look rubbish. We don't want it to look rubbish now. Do this the same for the other side. Then we're going to do the tail. Have this so it's equal as well. Step 3. Now we're going to start drawing the cockpit. So it curves slightly, but pointy towards the edge. Then we're going to draw the 2 twin engines. Make these roughly the same size if you can. Then add some lines onto the wings. Do the same for the tail. Step 4. Now I'm going to start adding more detail to the twin engines, making them round, cylinder shape. Don't make them too big though. This on the side. Then draw the tail on the back of the plane. Then make the tail just a little bit thinner. Step 5. Now we're going to add some detail to the cockpit and the windows. You can shade these in now, or you can shade these in later, wherever you find easier. Then add some more detail to the wing. Do this for the other side. And do this for the tail as well. Step 6. Now you've got to start rubbing out all the guidelines. Try to rub it out so not that visible, like mine. Put these on the wings. On the tail. On the back of the plane. Just at the front a bit more. There we go. Step 7. Now I'm going to go over the whole plane with a pen just to make it stand out a bit more. Just so you guys can see it. Just shading all the areas in so you guys can see where they all are. Doing this for the other side. Now I'm going to do the cockpit. Trying to make this quite stand out. So it makes it look sort of like 3D almost. Do this for the windows. So you can shade in the windows or you can leave them blank if you want. But I'm going to shade them in. Shade it in again. Then do the engines. This also makes it much neater because you don't see all the rubbings out that you've done. Do the same up the length of the plane. And finally we're going to do the tail. And then come down here. And there you have it, your Gulfstream. That's all for this week, but join me next week. I'll be doing some new videos. See ya!
Oh,
It's your voice.
what do you mean my voice? You're talking about your food.
Step 1. First, we're going to start by drawing a straight line down the middle of the page. Next, we're going to draw a rectangle around the straight line. One drawing back up the line, have it slightly angled.